Hi guys, hello everyone. So look at my kalanchoe which is in full blooms. I'll explain you how you need to pot. First of all, take some garden soil and rice husk, mix them well, and put the cuttings into a small glass so that you will get the cuttings in this way within 15 days. After that, after 15 days, you need to transplant to 4-inch or 5-inch pots. Take 5 parts of garden soil, 1 part of vermicompost and 1 part of coco peat. That would be fine, and within 1 month you will see a flowerings in this beautiful manner. And it needs moderate climate and not fully direct sunlight, and moderate sunlight also needed. And you can also keep this in balconies or somewhere like that. But I have tried to keep in full sunlight, that grown well, and you can able to see the flowering as well. And here I am explaining it in Telugu language, but I hope like I could be explaining you each and every points related to this. So I'll tell you leaf propagation within a simple manner of an pictures. This is called leaf propagation. When you're taking an healthy leaf and putting that in a coco peat or uh, s- fully washed sand, you'll be finding within 15 days the roots will be growing, and after 20 days you will find some small stem is growing, and within 25 days you will see that small leaves growing. In 30 days you will see a plant growing, and you can transplant that simply as I told you in the beginning. Okay, these are all colorful kalanchoes, double petal. I got like 8 to 9 colors, and my mom is just enjoying with the plants. And I just kept in 4-inch pots. That is enough for this plant, I hope so. And many are keeping in 8-inch or 6-inch so that plant will give a best size they feel. But it is okay, and don't forget to give NPK every 15 days. And if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me, guys. Have a good